In 2025, AI diagnosed cancer more accurately than the world's best doctors. In 2024, AI argued court cases better than trained lawyers. In 2023, AI created paintings that won fine art competitions against human artists. So here is the real question. Are we humans still relevant? AI is already beating us. This is not a prediction. This is happening right now. And by the end of this video, you will never look at artificial intelligence the same way again. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue computer defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. The world was shocked, but that was just the beginning. In 2017, Google's AlphaGo Zero, in a single day, mastered chess, Go, and Shogi, three of the world's most complex games, entirely through self-learning. No human trainer, no instruction manual, just pure self-improvement. What does this mean? Give AI the rules, and it figures out everything else on its own. Humans take years to master one skill. AI takes hours. The medical field is being completely revolutionized by AI right now. Google's DeepMind AI diagnoses eye diseases with 94% accuracy, outperforming the world's best eye specialists. Stanford University's AI system detected skin cancer more accurately than board-certified dermatologists. IBM Watson diagnosed rare cancer types that human oncologists had missed entirely. Think about what this means. The next time you walk into a hospital, the most accurate diagnosis might not come from a human doctor. It might come from a machine. We always believed creative fields were safe. Painting, music, writing, these were human-only skills. Skills that required emotion, experience, and a soul. But in 2022, an AI-generated painting won first prize at the Colorado State Fair art competition. Human artists were furious. In 2023, AI music tools produced songs of Grammy-worthy quality. In 2024, AI-written content began appearing on bestseller lists. So here is the question nobody wants to answer. Is creativity still a human-only skill? Or has AI learned that too? Here is the number that will keep you up at night. The World Economic Forum projects that by 2030, AI will replace 85 million jobs worldwide. Truck drivers, bank tellers, customer service agents, data entry workers, accountants, and even some lawyers, all at risk. A McKinsey report found that 69% of jobs in developing countries face automation risk. So ask yourself this one question. Is your job repetitive? Is it pattern-based? Does it follow a set of rules? If yes, AI is coming for it. Not someday, soon. Everything we just covered, that is AI's current ability. But the real warning sign is something far more alarming. AI is now learning by itself. No human input required. GPT-4, Gemini, Claude. These systems improve themselves through a process called recursive self-improvement. One AI version creates a better version. That version creates an even better version. And that cycle keeps going, faster and faster, with no ceiling in sight. Here is the question that the world's smartest scientists are losing sleep over. Once that cycle begins, can we humans actually stop it? In part 2, we find out exactly how the AI takeover begins. And trust me, it is already happening.